Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a seat in GITAM University Vizag. First, understand the admission process for various programs offered. Next, explore the eligibility criteria for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. We will then cover the required entrance examinations and the detailed application procedures. Finally, I will help you discover the key dates and deadlines for admissions, ensuring you stay on track throughout the process. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview. To secure your spot, it's crucial to review the academic qualifications needed for your desired program. Most importantly, prepare for the GITAM admission test, known as GAT, which is mandatory for the majority of programs. For engineering, consider national-level exams like JEE Main, and for medical courses, NEET is essential. Always ensure you meet the minimum percentage requirements, often around 50%, in your qualifying examinations to be eligible for consideration. The application process is straightforward. Begin by completing the online application form, which is readily available on the official GITAM website. You will need to upload all necessary documents, including your academic transcripts and identification proofs. Remember to pay the application fee, typically around 1,200 rupees for Indian applicants, through the online portal. Submitting your application before the specified deadline is vital to ensure it is processed correctly. Staying organized is key. Keep a close watch on the application opening and closing dates, which usually span several months, allowing ample time. Monitor the schedule for entrance examinations and result announcements diligently. To boost your chances, prepare thoroughly for the GAT by practicing previous year's papers and understanding the exam pattern. Finally, consider visiting the campus in Vizag for a better understanding of the university environment and facilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.